So in this video, you'll learn how to launch a digital assistant using your Samsung book cover keyboard. So the first step when it comes to launching a digital assistant is to locate the digital assistant button. So on the keyboard, that's fairly simple to find. It's just this star icon right here next to the Alt button. So that's the button that you're going to be using whenever you want to launch your digital assistant. So go ahead and just press on it once. And if it's your first time using a digital assistant with a keyboard, then you will be prompted to choose which assistant that you're going to be using, whether it's Bixby or Gemini. If you have any other digital assistant that is installed on your tablet, then you will be prompted to choose also one of those options based on the assistant that you would prefer. And then once you've made your choice, you want to select it, and then you can choose for just once. So if it's just once, now whenever you press on that keyboard, that icon on the keyboard, it will just open Gemini for that time only. But if you press on it again, you will be prompted to make another choice. Or you can choose to set it to always. And now, whenever you press on that digital assistant button on the keyboard, Gemini will always launch. If you want to change the digital assistant that's currently being given to you, whether you've made a mistake or you just want to switch, then it's fairly simple. Open the settings app on your tablet, and then you want to scroll and select General Management. Under General Management, tap on Physical Keyboard, and from here, you want to select Customize Keys. You should see your digital assistant icon listed right here with the assistant that you're currently using. So tap on it once. You can see a list of all assistants you have available on your tablet installed. And then all you need to do is just select your different option like that. And once you've selected it, now whenever you press on that digital assistant button, the digital assistant will launch. Bear in mind that some digital assistants will need you to go through the setup process so that you can be able to actually use it on your tablet. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.